Some things are easier to show than to describe. A palette, a product, a face. That's what reference images are for. Right under the model picker, any model that accepts them shows this group with a counter. Click the plus and pick an image. It lands in the grid, and the hint tells you what the model will do with it. Add a second, and Nano Banana 2 reads them together. Style, subject, composition. Dragging images onto the panel works too, and so does pasting. The little X takes one back off. Your prompt still leads. The references guide the look. Your words say what to make. How many you get depends on the model. Nano Banana 2 takes 4, Dream 5.0 Pro takes 10, and the counter updates the moment you switch. Attach one, and Asset Lab routes the job to that model's edit endpoint instead of plain text to image. Same button, nothing extra to do. Nano Banana 2 charges nothing extra for references. Dream adds about half a cent per extra image. Use them to match a style across a set, keep a product on model, or hold a character's face steady shot to shot. One rule: references and compare mode don't mix. Turn compare on, and the group steps aside, which is exactly where we're going next.